So hello everyone, I am Bhavesh Bansal from first year of BCHMCT. Today I make vegetable au gratin. So firstly we need Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, mixed herbs, salt, pepper, bechamel and your choice of vegetables. So now I am going to blanch the vegetables. Then I will show you what has to be done next. So in a pan, we kept some oil and butter and kept for heating. So once starts to heat, we add some garlic for saute. So now I am adding onions. So now I am going add to some blanched vegetables. Some mixed herbs. Some salt and pepper. Now I will add some white sauce into it. Give it a nice mix. Now I am going to transfer the vegetables into baking tin. I am going to top with mozzarella cheese and Parmesan cheese. Now I will gratinate it in the oven at 160 degree for 10 minutes. Vegetable au gratin is now ready.